In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can connect online on a PS5 here in 2026. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, you're obviously going to need to be connected online in order to do a bunch of stuff, whether it's playing games online with friends, downloading updates, and accessing so many PS5 features. But essentially, the first thing you're going to want to do is go up to the top right corner and select this little settings gear. And from here, go ahead and select network. After you select network, you're going to see two different options on here. Go ahead and select settings and just make sure this connect to internet tab is ticked on. And from here, you're going to see an option available that says set up internet connection. Select that and this is going to take you to a page that looks like this where you're going to have two different options. The first option is going to be a wired LAN connection. And this obviously uses that Ethernet cable connected directly to your router. This is by far the most stable option and it's recommended if it is available to you. That being said, if you don't have a wired connection, go ahead and choose a wireless connection. And essentially to do this, you just need to find your Wi-Fi network section in here, enter the password and connect. You can also scroll down and find this networks found option right here. And this is where you're going to want to go if you want to connect to a new network. Just select whatever network you're trying to connect to and then hit the option to enter the password for that. And once connected, you can actually check everything by backing out of here, going to this connection status section, and then selecting test internet connection. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.